Are you ready to master the art of speaking with clarity and precision? This lesson will equip you with practical techniques to express ideas clearly and confidently, avoid misunderstandings, and communicate effectively in any situation. Clarity and precision are essential in communication because they help prevent misunderstandings, build trust and credibility, and ensure your message is understood exactly as you intend. Clarity means using simple, direct language, organizing your thoughts before speaking, and avoiding jargon or ambiguous terms that might confuse your listener. Precision is about being specific and accurate with your words. It means choosing the right terms and avoiding vague statements that can lead to confusion. Unclear communication often happens when we speak too quickly, use overly complex words, or fail to structure our message logically. Organize your message by starting with your main point, supporting it with key details, and summarizing at the end. This helps your listener follow and remember your message. Use short sentences and everyday words whenever possible. Avoid slang or technical terms unless you're sure your audience understands them. Be specific and concrete by giving examples, using numbers or facts when possible, and avoiding broad generalizations. Check for understanding by asking questions, encouraging feedback, and watching for nonverbal cues that indicate confusion or agreement. Filler words like like, and can make your message less clear. Try pausing instead and practice mindful speaking to reduce these habits. Pausing while you speak gives you time to think, emphasizes important points, and helps your listeners process what you're saying. Visual aids like diagrams, charts, or written summaries can make your message clearer and easier to understand, especially for complex information. Practice clarity and precision by recording yourself, getting feedback from others, and revising your approach based on what you learn. For example, saying, "Let's do it soon" is unclear. Instead, say, "Let's meet at 3 p.m. tomorrow" to be precise and avoid confusion. In everyday conversations, slow down, think before you speak, and stay on topic to communicate more clearly. In professional settings, prepare your key points in advance, use formal language when appropriate, and confirm understanding with your colleagues. If you feel nervous, practice regularly, focus on the message you want to share, and remember to breathe and pause as you speak. To speak with clarity and precision, be clear and specific, organize your thoughts, and always check for understanding. Now it's your turn. Choose a simple topic, explain it in 2 or 3 sentences, and ask someone if your message was clear. Congratulations! You've learned how to speak with clarity and precision. Practice these skills every day and get ready for the next lecture.